Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to share with you 9 free software you didn't know you needed. So just gonna start with the first of the option, which is this smarter PDF. The smarter PDF is a light and fast document viewers for Windows, and it is perfect for reading PDF and ebooks and more like that. So also you can try and get this installed, which is Screenplay. So a Screenplay is a tool to mirror your Android phone on your PC without sound, ideas for representation and remote control. You can also get yourself a file converter, a simple tool for converting files into various formats, making it easy to handle different file types. And also you can use a transmission. Transmission is a free and open source BitTorrent client for downloading and sharing files efficiently. You can also download Refor Uninstaller, which is a program removal tools for Windows, ensuring complete uninstallation of unwanted software. You can also try this, which is 3 size free. It's a graphical disk user analysis that helps you identify and manage large files on your system. You can also download this as well, which is Scribble. Scribble is a free and open resources desktop publishing program suitable for creating professional documents, newsletter, and more like that. Then you can also download Image Glass. Image Glass is a lightweight and fast image viewer for Windows. It supports over 70 image formats. You can also try this as well. Domain name speed benchmark, which is a tool for optimizing your internet speed by analyzing selecting the fastest DNS server. All these tools offer range features to enhance your productivity and make your digital life easier. Give them a try and use and see which one is best for you, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.